Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft Stream for Office 365 on a Mac computer. Tutorial 13, video details. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365. Now this can be with school or business. We can now start the tutorial. Let's now go onto the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to office.com and make sure you are signed into the account. Now go to the left hand side navigation menu, click on applications, go to all applications, scroll to explore all the applications. Now let's go to Microsoft Stream. Let's just wait for that to load. Now go to the video screen recording for CSV, more options, open with, open file location. And there we see the video screen recording for csv.webm within my files and then screen recordings. So now let's go to more options, go to details, and within this section, we can see all the information in regards to the video. Let's see the title, that is the title, screen recording for CSV, how many views the video has. If everybody in the organization is watching the video, the view count will increase. Hopefully, who has access to this video, you can manage the access, add a comment. This file was shared with myself last week, and then 2 weeks ago this file had been moved from the documents folder. It was edited, had been renamed. Here's more details: the type, duration, album artist, modified the path and the size. And so that's some of the details in regards to the video itself. Let's click on X. We can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's over this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.